Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Elgato Cam Link 4K. This is a particular device that is used by most of the streamers to stream the camera output to the computer directly using this dongle, and also it is used to capture the video also directly to any of the screen that you want. Like if you want that while recording or while making a video, you want to see that particular footage on a bigger screen, so as to control your motions or control your output, what you're getting, it will be very easy for you. So my friends, this here you can see it is mentioned at 15,800 rupees, but if you buy it from Amazon, you can get it for 8,000 rupees. So do check the Amazon always and wait for a particular good deal and buy at the time. Don't buy it in a very high price. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up and check it out what we get inside the box. So it is totally sealed. I haven't opened this once. I have opened others, but I didn't open this one. So basically, okay, so it is really tight. I don't know why. So let's open this up. Okay, yes, it is a push out. So as you can see, this is the Elgato symbol. This is a Corsair. So here it is mentioned what it can do and what it can do and everything. So here in lot of languages mentioned. I don't find any of the English here. There is no English here. This is the other languages. How to download the Elgato gaming download. So basically this is the dongle, as you can see here. Here is the serial number is mentioned here. This is the dongle that we get. Okay, this is the cable that will be used to connect to the computer. Like you have to insert this dongle here this side. Okay, let me remove this. You have to insert this dongle this side, and this point will go to your computer USB port. So this is the case, and we get one Elgato sticker here. I think this is the sticker here. Yes, this is the Elgato sticker here, and we do get one yes, this is the user manual, how to install and everything, but I don't find. Yes, we have an English important safety instruction. This is the safety side. That's all, nothing else inside the box, as you can see here. So this is, my friends, the Cam Link that nowadays is very famous for all the streamers and everything. If you have any doubts about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Stay safe, my friends. Bye bye.